things are difficult in Ukraine. So we are here answering a call from hell.
I'm from Germany.
I'm from Australia.
I'm an American, but I'm living in Latvia for almost 30 years now.
I'm from Germany.
I came here to work for 5 weeks.
I just want to serve people and want to serve God, so being His hands and feet on the ground.
Jurmala, it's a nice place. Maybe you want to come visit sometime, you know, when life allows you to.
Hello.
Hello.